Hello, everyone, and I'm just going to be talking. I'm going to be continuing the talk about file system commands. There's only a very few left, and I'm just going to briefly talk about process commands as well. First command I'll start off with is the head command. So the head command is going to essentially print the first 10 lines of the whatever it is you want to put the head command next to. Like, let's say there's a text file. Here I'm doing the ls command. I see there's a text file called pass.txt, and if I do cat, I'm not doing the head command yet. I'm just gonna do cat, and this is gonna list out the full contents of the file. But if I just do head pass.txt, then I only get to see the first 10 lines of it. And there's also a command called the tail command. The tail command is going to basically show me the last 10 lines of it. So you see there's a difference between this and this. All right. Next command I'm going to talk to you about is the file command. The file command is basically a convenient way of figuring out, seeing what type of file something is. So if I do file and pass.txt, it tells me that pass.txt is an ASCII text file. Just so you know, you can't always trust the extensions. The file command is a more accurate way of telling what kind of file something is. Next command is just the free command. This command will basically tell you about memory, how much memory has been used, how much of it is free. Uh, by memory, I'm referring to volatile memory, things like RAM. Uh, it tells you how much in total there is, how much is used, how much is free. If you want to, these numbers are by default printed in kilobytes, but if you wanted to make it more human readable, you could do free and with the H flag. And so this will actually tell you, oh, this is gigabytes, this is megabytes. Uh, okay. Next is the uname command. Uname is basically a way to, it basically prints out system information. Now there's various flags with the uname command. If you want more details on it, you can do man uname. Man is going to show you the manual, and it tells you it prints system information, and it describes the various flags. So for example, if I do the R flag, it's gonna tell me the kernel release, basically which version of the kernel I have. So if I do uname -r, it gives me this. Okay, and now I'm just gonna quickly talk about process commands. So PS means process. This is basically a command to show you the active processes. And I guess the most important part you might have to know is the process ID. This is a way of actually identifying in what specific processes. Uh, I wrote the PS command by itself. I could also do PS with the aux flag. This is basically gonna print all the processes. PS by itself does not print all the processes that are active. PS aux, on the other hand, does, and it shows me processes from other users as well. Uh, okay, I'm gonna clear my screen, and if and then I'm just gonna do PS again. You see here I have a process called gedit. It has this following process ID. If I want to terminate this process, I mean, of course, I can just close the window. But let's say in the command line, I could also do the kill command. The kill command will actually terminate a process. So I can just do the kill command followed by the process ID. And this is going to terminate the process. If I do PS again, you can see here gedit it's been terminated. All right, and that's basically all I had to share right now. Remember, if you want details about a command, you can always do the man on it manual, and this will show you the basically give you information on it, and it'll show you the various flags you can use with it as well. All right.